Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum all of my friends. Welcome in KZ Kitchen. Friends, if you are worried about today's dinner, don't you worry. Let's make kofta gravy, beef kofta gravy. In KZ Kitchen, today we will make special, authentic, traditional kofta curry. Let's make how to. Mostly we work with beef mince. So same here. Today also I am using beef mince. For this I have taken some ingredients such as you can see. Here I have half kg beef mince, no fats, washed and squeezed. There is no water in this mince. Here I have green chilies, diced onion, fresh coriander. For baghar, I have cinnamon stick, cloves, black peppers, and black cardamom. And furthermore, I have paprika powder, whole spices powder, regular salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder and coriander powder. Ginger garlic paste 3 to 4 tablespoons. And here I have a special paste, almonds and pistachios paste. I am not using poppy seeds paste. Two cup yogurt and 3 to 4 onion fries. Onion should be crispy and color should be light golden because that will develop a color of our gravy. We will make the paste of both of these. Here I have some further garnishing: fresh coriander, green chilies and ginger. I will use in last. Now I'm gonna prepare a paste of yogurt and fried onion. I have saved this half yogurt. Let's grind it. Now it's ready. Let's chop these ingredients in this hand machine. I will chop these ingredients 2 times in it, and then I will add in my mince. These are done. Now take a dish or pan and add your mince in it. And add your all chopped ingredients in it. Now add little bit ingredients, some salt, some whole spices powder, some red chilies and some coriander powder, and add white paste 1 or 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoon heaped ginger garlic paste and 6 to 7 teaspoon of yogurt. Now mix this mixture with your hand. Continuously mix this mixture about 4 to 5 minutes. Now pressing it with the help of your fingers, make koftas. Follow same process and make all of these. Now these are ready. I will use half of these. Now make a paste, yogurt and white paste, and add little bit water in it and keep inside. I have taken 1 cup ghee and I have added my whole spices in it, and now I have added my all powdered spices in it and add some water. Now fry these. Now I have added my ginger garlic paste, and also again I'm adding some water so I could fry it. Keep adding water and keep frying and cooking. After some time, add your all koftas in this gravy and don't stir with a spoon. Just tilt your pan and keep frying these because they are very sensitive at this time. They could break if you touch with a spoon. After some time, we will flip them with the help of a spoon. Now they have become little bit hard and I am adding now my white paste which I made with yogurt and almond and pistachios paste. Now I have added onion and yogurt paste and keep them cooking. Now it's time to cover the lid. We will cook them until our meatballs couldn't cook completely. Let's check them. Mashallah, these are gonna complete. 4 to 5 minutes cook them on high flame and then turn off the heat. Now garnish these and again cover the lid. Now it's time to serve our beautiful koftas gravy. Let's serve these. Mashallah, these are looking very beautiful and fragrance is too good. Garnish again. I hope you liked my video and also you will follow my recipe. If you have, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Inshallah ta'ala, see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.